Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many Windows 11 education users face. The problem is that, despite setting up a shared PC with a guest user, pesky welcome screens keep popping up every time you log in. These screens come from various applications like Windows, Office, Edge, and more, making the user experience less than ideal. So, how do we make these intrusive welcome screens disappear for good? Now, onto the solution. The key here is to download the policy rules from the Microsoft Edge for Business page. By extracting and copying the HTML files to the Windows Policy Definitions folder, you can access new policy settings directly through gpedit.msc. This will allow you to configure specific settings for Edge, which will then apply to all new users. Checking Edge policies can help confirm if the policies have been correctly applied. While Firefox offers similar GPO downloads, Office lacks the options to disable those annoying welcome screens. It's all about getting into the nitty-gritty of policy configurations to customize the user experience. In summary, we've delved into a clever workaround to rid your Windows 11 education setup of those persistent welcome screens. By leveraging policy rules and making the right adjustments, you can ensure a smoother user experience for all. And remember, it's all about customizing those settings to suit your needs. Well, that's all for today, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy computing.